Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami akan memperhatikan misi 3 bahasa karya Yulianingsih SPD, Sukarni SPD, dan Sri Wahyuni MPD dengan judul Lingkunganku A1. Tumbuh dengan berselimut peri-peri hijau, menjelma benteng yang kokoh dan kekal, dengan 1000 ranjau yang menghalau dari setiap bisikan, serangan, hantaman yang terus-menerus menggerus. Namun, kau tetaplah berdiri menegakkan raga, bertahan dengan sisa-sisa tenaga demi kami yang bermuara. Kau penyelamat kita, penyelamat kami semua dari berbagai kehidupan yang ada. Di sini kami berjanji akan kurawat dirimu, kujaga dengan harapan yang menderu, dan kulestarikan generasi penerusmu seperti kau menjaga generasi penerus kami.
Mother Nature, can you listen to my courageous? Just a little while. The deepest part of my heart is like crying. A mystery that flows fresh and clean water like a mirror, that enables me to see the beautiful tiny glassy fish swim here and there, that gives me a chance to learn how to swim, how to dive. In my childhood, I had no gadget in hands. In my childhood, I had only thousands of happy times to walk along the beautiful river behind my house. What serendipity! And until now, the memories are still here, dwelling peacefully in my heart. I won't let that kind of feelings gone. I want my children, my grandchildren, have such experiences I had 30 or 40 years ago. But the reality is in rivers. In that river, I see almost no water now. I only see so many trash bags. The water is so unclear and dirty. Mother Nature, can you bring back the river like it used to be? Can you turn back the time? Please tell us how. Let us know, so that many years to come, the waves are able to feel such tight bond of feeling of peace and grace of the nature. I want you to give a chance to my children, my grandchildren, to feel what I felt fishing, swimming, diving, or catching fish or shrimps in bare hands. Give them a chance to see what a wonderful, tranquil river is like, and what sweet memories they can create in it look like. That they are able to find the epiphany to respect the importance of saving the nature.
Wahana Adiyata Saiti, tanduran ijo royo-royo edi penyu, akan tarik-tarik tumata bebek, konservasi air, energi, buang uwah budaya ati, kahanan resik sehat, gawe tentreming ati, minangka kanugrahane Yang Widi. Tekadku gumregah, cancuk gumregut, anggonku nyuntak sakabehing ilmu, pamroh kang adiluhur, mula wentah para siswa kanthi ikhlasing tiasku supaya tumekeng panggayuhmu. Nggih, donga pamujiku dadya generasi emas ing sawijining wektu, sehat lahir batinmu, gawe mongkok para dwija bapa ibu, gawe bombong bangsa negara lan agama, muncar ing saindenging bawana satu. Nuwun. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.